G'day guys, Carlos from Adios Asbestos. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to safely take a sample to identify if there is asbestos in the material in your home. As always, you need to be wearing the correct PPE, your P2 disposable mask, your Type 5 overalls and your gloves. Additionally, to take the samples, what we'll need today is a pen to write on some Ziploc bags to seal the asbestos once taken, some vice grips or pliers, hammer, chisel, just some wood putty, alcohol wipes and a PVA particle binder. Obviously, like always, we diluted at 20% due to the water ratio. And as always, using a non-asbestos product, James Hardie Fibro cement sheeting, Australian standard number, barcode, definitely doesn't contain asbestos. So for the first process, take the sample. What we're going to be doing today is a nice easy one, and this generally applies to if you have any exposed edges, something that's nice and easy, potentially a broken sheet where you can get a pair of pliers or some vice grips in there. So we'll show you that one first. Get your sample bag ready. This is where you're going to be putting the asbestos. Just get that ready. What we do, we just seal the edge. Potentially, we're about to disturb the asbestos, so we just seal it, eliminating any dust. Obviously, of course, you're wearing all your correct mask, PPE, doing any kind of procedure, and we're just soaking the exposed edge. More PVA the better. You then get your vice grip, and you get an alcohol wipe. What we're going to do here is just put the alcohol wipe inside. And effectively, we're just going to take a small piece of the asbestos sheeting. At the same time, we're going to be applying the PVA substance, eliminating any dust from the sample taking. Put the sample into your bag, dispose of your wipe. Seal up your asbestos, which is soaked with a PVA bind, eliminating all dust nicely and safely. We'll just put this to one side. That's method one. Obviously, that method applies if you have easy accessible asbestos where it's broken or damaged. That doesn't always apply, especially when you have concealed homes, concealed roofs and so forth, where everything's a nice finished product. So imagine this was a nice finished wall. What I try and do to take samples, if you can't access the PowerPoints and look behind there to identify the product, which we've got in another video, what we need to look for is quiet, discreet spots, potentially behind doorways, something that's not obvious, just to make a small penetration and actually get a sample of the asbestos. So method two, again we get our sample bag ready. Just place that to one side. As always, we are using our PPE correctly and make sure you know that's a must. You get your hammer and you get your chisel. Okay, so what you do, again, you apply PVA to the area you're about to expose. What you do, you carefully make an incision. Again, couple hammer taps, keep spraying it. Couple taps, keep spraying it. You need it to be as wet as possible so there is no dust and you eliminate the risk. Couple of taps, keep spraying, keep repeating this process. Again. Keep applying the PVA substance, wearing all your correct PPE, and you can gently dry out the wet and sealed tiny bit of asbestos. You do not need much, you just need a tiny little bit. Apply it into your bag, like so, and again, seal that up straight away so that's nice and sealed. And put that to one side. And of course, if you're doing that in a concealed room, you want to seal it even further and make sure it's nice and contained. That's where the putty comes back into action. Simply just apply the putty like we've shown you in other videos, just to seal it, and that is still in a nice concealed room, nice and discreetly behind a corner, above a skirting or something like that, nice and contained. The last process of the sample to send it off for analysis at a NATA approved lab is you get your pen and you get a second bag. This bit's important as well. You need to make sure that firstly you label the area, for example bathroom, and the location of it, bathroom wall, and then also the address, wherever. Awesome. Alright, and then what you do with that one, get your other sample, place it in there so it's double bagged for safety, never be too safe. Okay, so now you've successfully taken your sample, everything's nice and safe. Now you need to look up a NATA approved lab, or alternatively call Adios Asbestos, and we're more than happy to sort your sample out from there. But you're more than happy to take it to yourself to a NATA approved lab to get analysis, see if it contains asbestos or not, and then you can move further than the next step of your renovation. Thank you very much for tuning in today's video, and stay tuned for next week's. Say Adios Asbestos today.